NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to improve video quality on Sharefactory on the PS4. If you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make awesome gaming videos using Sharefactory, plus learn how to do more on YouTube and other PS4 related stuff, then this is the channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. So this video was suggested by a subscriber, so thank you for that. We've got shout out of the day coming up as always, and this video is all about how to improve the quality of your video, how it looks, how the color looks, and we're going to use a Fortnite clip as normal, but this is applicable to any game that you use when you're editing in Sharefactory, so you can use it in any other game, and also when you upload to YouTube it will show you the same quality when it's uploaded, so that is really good to know. Okay, so let's just get into it. So I'm going to use this clip and I'm going to split it up into various sections so that I can turn the effect on and off and you can see what it looks like and whether it's worth the effort of doing it. One thing to note though is you can only add the effect to individual clips. So if we added it to this whole section here, it would stay on there, but the moment we split it, it then breaks up the effect and you'll have to add it again to parts of the clips. So bear that in mind. If you've got a montage, it's probably best to do the editing of the montage first and then add the effects to the clips that you want to, and that's when I mean, is it worth it for you? Do you think it's worth that extra bit of time doing it, and whether the benefit of the extra colour is worthwhile? So let's carry on. I'm just going to finish this last split here, and then what we'll do is we'll go into it and we'll show you how to add the effect, and it's nice and straightforward. It's really easy. What we're doing is we're just going to go into the filters and use the filters. So the one negative is once you've used this filter you can't then add another filter to it. It's only one filter at a time. So let's choose this clip here. If we just push the cross button, and that's going to take us into add filter, and then we can go across to saturate here and push cross, and then that adds the saturate. But what we want to do is push the square and edit filter and filter settings, and then increase this up so that we can really show you the difference between the two. Now when you come in reality, I'm just going to do the rest of them quickly now, but when you do the rest of the, or when you come to do it for your own video, then it's up to you whether you have it at 50 or somewhere in between as to how much emphasis on the color you want. So I'm just putting it to the extreme so you can see the difference more clearly, but it's up to you to play about and get it exactly how you want it. But do remember, you cannot use other filters with it, so you can't do it and then go into a VHS setting or something, because it'll just wipe that out and put a new one in. Okay, so filter settings on each one, and we'll just play this now. So off, on. Okay, so you can see the difference in the color. Look at the sky and that, and then it goes off, and then you can see everything's just that little bit turned down a little bit. Back on now. Okay, and then you can see where it's just flicking on and off. If you look along the slide down the bottom, you can see where we've got the effect each time. So up to you whether you think it's worthwhile. I think it's quite effective, and I think if you're doing a montage and you want to emphasize certain things, then it's good. Or if you've just got a game that's playing all the way through, like a football match that's just playing all the way through, or Fortnite win, then absolutely fine. You can just push the buttons once and it's done. So that would make perfect sense to do that. It's just if there's a clip or a montage that you're doing and you have to go through individually every clip, then you may think, oh, it's just adding to my editing time. So it's up to you how important it is, I guess. Okay, so let's move on to the shout out of the day. Okay, so today's video was suggested by Trash Studios, so thank you very much for the suggestion. That's got you a shout out, so please do check out Trash Studios YouTube channel, and if you like the content then please do consider subscribing. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, please do hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching, and bye.